Hello, Gel Press fans. Lynne Forsythe here. I wanted to show off my Gel Press apron that I embellished and wore at the NAMTA Creativation Trade Show that I just attended with Gel Press. Eek! Yes, I said trade show. The first one in 2 years. So I wanted to show off how well fabric works on a gel press. So I began my creative journey by pulling out a piece of vintage linen, my Liquitex soft body acrylic paints, and last but not least, my 12 by 12 gel press. Now, because I was using fabric on my gel press, I applied a rather thick layer of the paint to the gel press. I then placed a stencil onto that painted surface and made a pull onto one section of the linen. I pulled up the stencil and made another pull with the remaining paint that was on the gel press. I repeated the process for the length of the fabric. I layered various colors through various stencils until I was happy with the results. When the paint was completely dry, I applied Wonder Under onto the back of the fabric, cut out the petal shapes as needed, and adhered them to my apron. The rest of the fabric I adhered to the pockets. I hope you enjoyed my creative journey as much as I did. Till we meet again, be creative.